Welcome back to English language class. And today in this class, I am going to teach you letter writing. Alright, in ICC, there are two types of letter, that is formal letter, another is informal letter. Now let's see like formal letters and informal letter, what it is called. Formal letter is actually a business letter. Okay, in business letter you see the inquiries, next one placing and cancelling orders. Next type of formal letter, that is called official letter. In official letter, the letters of complaints will come, making request, redressing grievances, letters to now next one, that is also formal letter, letters to editors. In letters of editor, what type of letter will come, that is expressing views on public matters. Next is suggestion. Next form of letters, that is letters to principal. Letters to principal, application for leave or permission. Next one, job applications. Job application letters are to the employers. Okay. Next, the last form of letter, formal letter, that is called complaint letter. Okay. Next one, informal letter. Informal letter means this is one type of letter. Here you see another type of letter, that informal letter. Informal letter is basically written for friends and family members. Okay, so these are called informal letter. Next, now here you see the sample of the letter. Okay, this is you see the question first. You are a sparse Juneja, a resident of student in XYZ school, Bengaluru. Write a letter to your mother describing your new school and hostel life. That means your mother, you are writing a letter to your mother. That means it is an informal letter. So informal letter, first of all, you understand the layout, the format of the letter, because the marking scheme, it depends upon the format you follow. Okay, so first you will see at the top, means this format is actually known as, in ICC it is called box type format. So everything goes on the left hand side, okay, in the box type format. So everything, all this line you see in a straight line. So first comes, that is your address, what you are writing, that is called sender's address. Okay. Next one, sender's address, you will write a complete address here, then leave a blank, means leave one space, one line space here. Okay, this is a one line space you leave here. Then comes a date. Writing date format, you can see here 25th June, comma 2020. You can means give a year here, but don't forget to give comma here after writing 25th June. Okay. Then again you leave a one line space here. Then comes salutation. Salutation means like what do you start with, means the letter is addressing to mother, so you'll write dear mother. Then this part is called, this part is a body. Okay, so here comes a body, and in the body the opening sentence has to be very attractive and impressing tone. Okay, so that you point out here in the first paragraph. Second paragraph you will write what the question has asked, and third paragraph is your conclusion, which is also you need to write in a very authentic manner. Okay, then don't forget to leave a space here after every paragraph here. Then comes subscriptions. Subscription, that is means you end your letter, means what like who are you, to whom you are sending. That means here the sender is your loving son, and don't forget to give comma here in this place. Next you will write only your first name in the sender's name. Okay, only you will add first name, because it is a informal letter, so no need to write your second name, that is title and all. First name, no full stop, no comma, nothing. You will just leave the letter like this. So that was the format of informal letter. Next you will see now, this is also informal letter only, but that was box type format. ICC follow two format, that is box type format and traditional format. So this format, the same kind of letter but in a traditional format. Okay, traditional format, what happens, your address comes here. You could see in your earlier letter in the box type format the sender's address was here, but in the traditional letter the sender's address comes in the right hand side. Okay, rest you write same thing. Then date in a correct format. So date writing format is same, but you leave a blank space here. Okay, in this space you have to leave a line. Then again you leave one line here in this place. Then you write here salutation. Okay, again in the left hand side, that is you can write dear mother or dear Satya, whatever the question has asked you. Then again the opening sentence in the first paragraph. Second paragraph you will write what is the question has asked, very importantly. And third paragraph is a conclusion. You will end your letter. Then again comes subscription. Subscription also in the right hand directions, and sender's name also in the right hand directions. Alright, only the difference is here, the format is the difference. Okay, so you can follow any one of the two format in this informal letter, but my suggestion to you all to follow box type format, which will be easier for you all to write, because it doesn't change here and there. Okay, but what happens in the traditional format, it keeps on changing the sender's address, the bodies in a different directions, and again your subscription salutation in a different directions. So it may be confusion for you all. So my suggestion to you all, it is better to follow box type format, the earlier one. Okay, now coming to the formal letter sample. So formal letter is a, means I already told you, it is a applications. All right, it is a complaint letter. So there are so many type of letter. Here is one sample that I have brought to you all, with a write a letter to the police commissioner of your city, drawing his or her attention to the menace of hawkers outside your school. Tell him or her what dangers they pose and offer solutions for the rehabilitations. So here it is a kind of complaint letter. Okay, hawkers means a kind of noisy outside the school. So the format you need to follow here, again what you do, it is called box type format. Okay, it is a box type format. Again everything in the left hand side you see, but the difference is it is a formal letter. Just you have done that was informal letter. Now you are doing a formal letter. For formal letter you will write your address first here. This is this one, your address. Then here you will leave a line space. Okay, then comes date. Again date writing format is same, but everything in the left hand side. 23rd February, comma 2018. So don't forget to get comma here. Again 2018, full stop here. You see here comma, 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 full stop. So again to whom you are writing a letter, the police commissioner office. Then you give a proper address of the whom you are sending a letter. Then again here starting salutation, that is dear sir, you will begin with. So again opening sentence is very important here. Okay, I write to draw your attention to the menace of hawkers. So means what the question is asked, you have to hit directly to its head. Okay, and in the body, here in the body you will point out what you are trying to say. And again the last paragraph is a conclusions. Then you will at the end here in the formal letter you will write thanking you, comma, then yours faithfully, or you can write yours truly also. Then you can write here full name. Here in the formal letter you have to write full name. Okay, suppose your name is so and so. Okay, so like your name is Santosh Yad Haldar, so you will write a full name there. Okay, so that is formal letter in a box type format. Now this is again you could see this is a format layout for you to follow. Okay, the format that I have just explained here. You could see your sender's address, date, dear mother. It was all means already explained to you all in the informal letter. So here you notice that means this is a formal letter in a box type format, which is my means utmost suggestion for you all to follow the box type format and acquire as much as possible marks from this section. Okay, but this same thing you can follow in another format, that is a traditional format that I have just taught you in an informal writing. Like what happens in a traditional format, again this address comes on the left hand side, date comes on the left hand side, to whom you are sending, sorry, not left hand side, right hand side. So all this comes, these all comes on the right hand side here. Okay, in a traditional format, but box type format it remains same. Again everything will be same here, but again this subscriptions will come here in the traditional format, this place. So this goes on the right hand side. So in this way you can end up your letter writing, but please stick to the format. Following format is very much important for you all, so that you can acquire as much as marks from there. Okay, so for today's class this much. Furthermore, if there are any doubts and queries, we'll discuss later. Thank you so much.